Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free of cost customization or personalization software for Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and Google just search for one application name as WinHawk, and first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Just click on this download. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. So finally the application has started, and now you will see tons of options here already showing up, and you can click on this create a new mode. If you know coding, then you can just begin coding in order to create your own new mode, or you can click on this explore other modes, and here you will see multiple various options for customization as well as personalizations your respective Windows computer. So say let me give you a little demo. Say here you can see one option, Windows 11 text bar styler. So just click on this details, and now below you will see here some preview regarding the Windows 11 text bar styler. So now click on this install, click on accept and install. So finally the Windows 11 text bar styler has been installed. Now click on the settings. Now just below the theme you will see here one option written none. Just click on it. Now you will see here various option. Whichever option you like you can select here. Say I'll just select this dog like and click on this save settings. Now you can see here our Windows 11 text bar style has changed, and if you want to restore it back, just click on it here and select this none and click on this save settings again, then it will restore back. So you can select whichever options you want to try here. You can select here if you like this bubbles, and after that just click on the save settings. You can see here. So here are some pre-included themes option that you can select, and if you know more customization then you can just use this advanced option, and you can change your mode settings values everything if you know, or you can put your own mode settings here. And if you want to disable it, just click on this disable, and you can click on this remove if you want to remove these modes. And similarly you can do the same thing with the other options. So let's try this again. Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on this details, click on this install, click on accept and install. So finally the Windows 11 start menu styler has been installed successfully, and you can see the preview here. And now just click on this settings. Now just below the theme again just click on this none. Now here you can select whichever you like. Say I'll just select this side by side minimal and click on this sub settings. Now just click on this Windows Start menu icon. Now you will see here your Windows Start menu layout will keep changing. So it was not like this before. And if you want transparent also, it's available here. Just select this translucent start menu, click on sub settings. Now once again click on this Windows Start menu icon. Now you can see here translucent layout, and if you want to restore it back just click on this none and click on this sub settings. Then the default Windows Start menu layout will show up again. And if you want to disable it, just click on this disable, and if you want to remove it, then just click on this remove. So here various customization and personalization options are already available, so you can try all those options whichever you want to try present inside this WinHawk application. So in my opinion, it's the best free of cost customization and personalization software for Windows computer that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.